Rohit, you scored a 50 on this ground your very first time here. You've just peeled off your 33rd 100. You have a real affinity with this ground. Amazing day, amazing way to finish playing at this ground.
Yeah, I've always loved coming here. I enjoy playing cricket here in Australia. Fond memories of 2008 and nice way to finish, getting that knock and getting that win as well. I don't know if we'll be coming back to Australia, but it was fun all these years that we played here. A lot of good memories, bad memories, but all in all, I'll take the cricket that I played here.
But you two old dogs still have a sting in the tail.
Looks like it, yes. We enjoy our cricket, most importantly, no matter what accolades we've achieved, but it's important that whenever you get an opportunity to play, you got to come and start fresh, and that's what we did when we arrived in Perth. Forget what has happened in the last 15, 17 years, wanted to start fresh, and that's how I personally look at all the games that I played. I'm sure it'll be the same for Virat as well, but enjoyed playing these 3 games.
The 2 ducks out of the pond. The ducks is finally out.
Good to be out of the pond, honestly. Well, I lost. You've scored so many runs in international cricket, but then the game shows you everything, even at this stage. Almost, 37 in not many days, and still can feel like don't know how to get a run. I mean, it's this game is amazing. That's why we love batting, we love batsmanship, and it's so challenging when it's not going your way. And just to find your rhythm again, of course, going out there, having a situation to play in always is something that always brings out the best in me. And when Rohit's already batting there, it's pretty easy to kind of keep rotating strike. We understand each other's game pretty well. So again, really good to have a big partnership and another match finishing partnership for us.
168-run partnership. Clearly, it was a masterclass in technique and temperament. So valuable for your younger players to be observing that at close range. But you like batting together. Nearly 5,500 runs in